Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to set up and edit a cruise rebook alert. This helps you keep track of price drops so you can save money after you have already booked a cruise. We're going to do this in just 2 simple steps. The first step is setting up a rebook alert. To set up a new rebook alert, head over to the Rebook Fares section from the left-hand menu. Once you're there, kick things off by hitting the Add Rebook Alert button in the top right. The new Rebook Alert window is now open. Next, we'll upload your booking confirmation or a photo of your booking info so the details get filled in automatically. Instead of filling everything out by hand, let's take the shortcut. Click the upload button to add your booking confirmation file. Sit tight for just a moment. The system reads through your confirmation, pulls out the cruise details automatically, and moves you straight to the next step. No manual typing needed. Once the confirmation has been read, the cruise details will be ready for review. Now, let's move on to finalizing the alert setup by confirming the cruise information and setting your fare preferences. Make sure all of the details look correct. You can always adjust the sailing info, cabin, and price details. Choose the alert threshold you would like us to email you at. Once your details look right, lock it in by hitting the Set Rebook Alert button. Wrap things up by clicking Done, and your alert is now live. Next, let's access the alert editor to modify the settings of an existing alert. To tweak the settings on the alert you just created, click the pencil icon next to it to open up the editor. The Edit Rebook Alert window is now open. Let's modify the alert settings by adjusting the price you paid and selecting your preferred price drop threshold. To modify the alert settings, switch the price drop threshold to 15%. This means you'll only get pinged when the fare drops by at least 15% from what you paid. Once you're happy with the new threshold, lock it in by hitting Save Changes. And that's your alert settings updated. You now know how to set up and edit a cruise rebook alert from start to finish. Happy sailing, and we hope you get the best price possible on your next cruise.